I needed that. So today's video, I'm gonna make some stickers. I'm sore as hell today. I battled a trick yesterday. Took way too long. It was a double pressure flip, body varial, and yeah, now today my legs are dead. So still gotta create something. So I'm gonna paint some stickers. So there was a video I did a couple videos ago. I cut a stencil, but I was waiting on the vinyl. Now I cut the vinyl to fit the stencil, and let's start spraying. Now after the paint's dry, I'm gonna throw some clear coat over it. I put clear coat over it so when it holds up better in the elements, if it's on a pole or a wall or a sign or something. So while we wait for the clear coat to dry, here's a couple of double laser flips.
Wow. What the?
Now that they're dry, let's cut them out. There they are, all cut out. That's gonna do it for the video. If you got something out of it, like the video. If you enjoyed it, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.